Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Megan Harris and I am delighted that you have chosen to pop in and come and check out one of my videos. I have enjoyed each and every one of these drinks I'm about to recommend to you, and yes, I do have a favorite one. I wonder if you could guess it. If so, just pop it in the comments below and let me see if you know which is my favorite drink. So when used alongside healthy lifestyle changes, there are certain beverages that can certainly help us aid our bodies into losing weight. And that's exactly what we want. Drink number 5 is chia seeds. Yes, add 2 teaspoons of chia seed to a normal size glass water bottle or a water bottle like this. This is stainless steel. And add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in there, and they will expand and kind of make your water a bit like a jelly feeling. Don't worry, that's quite natural, and that too will help you to feel fuller, and it also helps you to lose weight because it speeds up your lipid metabolism. Then what drink is number 6 is the good old faithful apple cider vinegar. This is a great one because it not only makes you feel fuller, it not only boosts your metabolism, but it also curbs your food cravings and also lowers your insulin levels. So those are all fabulous news about apple cider vinegar. Make sure it includes the mother variation, meaning it's got the little bits in the apple cider vinegar, because that's the true apple cider vinegar. If that's taken out, it's like the pulp in it, that's not going to be very good for you. And again, drink a tablespoon of that inside a 16-ounce or 18-ounce water bottle. And again, it's good to have it before meals, like about half an hour before a meal. Drink that. And it will certainly help you with all those things. Drink number 7 is celery juice. Celery juice got a lot of profile a couple of months and years ago. Again, not only does it help you with weight loss, but it also helps you with water retention. It literally helps shed your body of all the water retention that you're holding, and that often can cause excess belly fat, which we don't need, and gas and bloating. And so that will help get rid of that because it does act as a bit of a diuretic, which really helps. It's a natural diuretic. Then we have one of my favorites, drink number 8, the last one, the fabulous fenugreek drink. And I will provide a recipe for this for you to make. It's absolutely fabulous. Again, it's very much like the celery juice where it gets rid of excess water for you. It also increases your insulin sensitivity and has marvelous antioxidant properties to it. And again, it helps with your cellulose and lipid metabolism, which is why it helps you to lose weight. It also flushes toxins from your body. So those are the drinks I would recommend for you. They're fun to make. Some are simple. You can just make them in 5 minutes or less. Some you can go and buy, and others you can just make in your water bottle, which just means measure the ingredients and there you are, it's all done. So I hope you enjoy this variation. Let me know how your weight loss is going, and I would love to hear which is your favorite drink.